Decisions in planning a test. A fair and veiled test covers information and skills similar to those covered during instructions. And for that, we have 3 tips to follow while planning a test. 1. Refer back to the objectives set. 2. Check the target behavior that students have been taught. 3. Determine how these behaviors would be best assessed. We have 2 types of assessment items that should be given. We have the supply questions, for example, short answer questions, essay, and review. The other type of questions is the selection questions, for example, MCQ or multiple choice questions, true or false, and matching. But how long should the test take? We should keep in mind that testing time is limited, so choices must be made accordingly. For example, the supply questions, essays should have a time limit up to 14 minutes, whereas the short answer questions should have a time limit between 5 to 10 minutes. If we take the selection questions, each item in the MCQ should have a time limit up to 60 seconds, whereas the true or false questions, each item should have a time limit up to 30 seconds. Similarly, for the matching items should have a time limit, each item between 30 to 45 seconds, depending on the type of the question. We should take also into consideration the age of the students, their stamina and attention spans, and the length of our class period. For elementary students, the formative test time should be between 15 to 30 minutes, whereas the summative test time should be 40 minutes long if the period is 15 minutes, which means that less than the actual class period by 10 minutes. We should also decide how many questions we want to ask for each objective, and this is based on 2 factors: the instructional time spent on each objective and its importance. As teachers, do not test the students on general and integrative objectives if they had been taught the specific skills separately. Thank you.